Hello and welcome to our channel Worthy Tips, where we discuss all things related to techniques for boosting confidence and self-improvement tips. In today's video, we'll be discussing 5 masculine ways to self-confidence habits. Confidence is key in every aspect of life, and it's especially important for men to feel confident in themselves. So, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hit the gym. One of the best ways to boost your self-confidence is by hitting the gym. Confidence-building exercises is known to release endorphins, which are the body's natural mood boosters. When you're feeling masculine confidence, it translates to feeling good mental strength. Additionally, regular exercise can help you confidence build a more masculine strength, which can boost your confidence even further. Try to aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise per day, and don't be afraid to push yourself to your limits. Number 2. Dress for success. The way you dress can have a big impact on your self-confidence level. When you dress well, you feel good about yourself, and this can translate into higher levels of confidence. As a man, you should aim to dress in a way that is both comfortable and stylish. Invest in a few key pieces of clothing that fit well and make you feel great. Whether you prefer a casual or formal look, make sure that you take pride in your appearance. Number 3. Practice good posture. Posture is an often overlooked aspect of mindset for confidence. When you stand up straight with your shoulders back and head held high, you look and feel more confident. Poor posture, on the other hand, can make you look and feel insecure. Make a conscious effort to practice good posture throughout the day, especially when you're feeling nervous or unsure of yourself. Number 4. Set goals and achieve them. Setting goals and achieving them is a great way to increase self-assurance. When you set a goal for yourself and work towards it, you build self-discipline and resilience. Whether your goal is related to your career, fitness, or personal life, make sure that it's achievable and measurable. Celebrate your achievements along the way, and use them as motivation to continue pushing yourself. Let's say you set a goal to run a half marathon within 6 months. You started training and working towards your goal consistently, and after 6 months, you successfully completed the half marathon. The achievement of your goal not only boosted your confidence but also gave you a sense of accomplishment that you could carry with you in other areas of your life. Number 5. Take calculated risks. Taking calculated risks and self-belief is an essential part of building habits to improve confidence. When you take risks, you put yourself in uncomfortable situations that force you to grow and learn. Of course, it's important to take calculated risks that are within your limits. That concludes our video on 5 masculine ways to boost your confidence. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination, and it takes time and effort to build. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine and stick with them, and you'll start to notice a positive change in your confidence level. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on personal growth and masculine self-confidence habits.